Hi, I'm Shawn from Melville, Saskatchewan. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me this 12-cup Lagostina coffee maker. I've put this 12-cup Lagostina coffee maker to the test. I have it every morning. Scoop the coffee into this little filter, drop it in, pour the water up in there. And then it's ready to go, and we just hit brew. I would recommend this coffee maker to my friends or family. The coffee tastes good. It's got a nice beeping sound when the coffee's ready to drink. The only thing that is negative against it, I feel it's got a lot of spills sometimes when you're pouring the coffee. But otherwise, it's a great coffee maker.